Hey guys, it's Dr. Daniel Moses here. It's day 2 of the day 1. Wow, it's day 2 of the day 1 of the business show. I'm just super fired up, so super excited. Yesterday we had so much love, so much respect, so much people being inspired by our story, just connecting with us, coming to even support us. Those who have been following me on social media, coming down all the way to the business show to support us, and all our new clients who connected with us yesterday. The business show has been another level for our business. Over the last 3 years, we got into the networking events, speaking events, and obviously sharing what we do with other people, especially telling them how we've done what we've done, showing them exactly step by step exactly what we did to take our portfolio to over £7 million property portfolio. And we've over the years helped so many people, likes of Anthony, likes of Charlie, Sandrine Maha, and the list can go on and on of our clients that we've helped, educated them, giving them the right tools to literally build their property business. So being at the business show and just, inspiring so many more individuals, just so super amazing for me, because once upon a time I was an Uber driver. 6 years ago, 2016, I was an Uber driver. I started driving for at least over 18 hours a day. Over 18 hours days, guys. And today, now being in front of so many other thriving businesses and successful businesses and just sharing the room with them, and exhibiting at the XLO2 is an absolute dream come true. So guys, if you're watching this vlog, let us know, how you feel about what I've said. And if you missed out on this year's business show, you want to make sure that you're there next year as well to kind of come and see us, come and greet us. But in the meantime, make sure you go and register for our free masterclasses, or join our community, the Wealth Circle community, or come and spend 3 days with us at the 3 days property wealth summit. There's so many options here, ladies and gents. So I'm vlogging the entire day, okay, from leaving my house this morning. As you can see, this is my house. I'm just leaving now. My wife is going to be in the car. Kevin is going to be in the car as well. I'm going to be driving, and Kevin is going to be asking me a few questions. So it's just basically vlogging the whole day of what we've been up to, what we've done, who is inspired, and the people we've met. And probably you guys will be able to see other people who came to see us at the stand B976 at the O2XL Exhibition Center at the Big Business Show 2023. See you soon. Rains, guys, it pours. Look at that. We're just currently now here in the car. I've got the team with myself. I've got Kevin, the marketing and sales director, and we've got Millie as well, my wife, who's the operational and management director of the business. So we're so super excited. So Millie, what do you think?
Hi all. Following on from what Dr. Daniel just said, day 1 at the business show was absolutely amazing. So many new clients that came down to see us. Really appreciate your support. We're now on our way to day 2 again. It's going to be amazing. I can feel the energy. We know there's so many of you that missed out on the opportunity to come see us on day 1. You've got the opportunity to come and see us on day 2. We're really looking forward to seeing you and welcoming you as our new clients for our property wealth education family members. Thank you for all your support. Continue to support us, as we will do the same to continue to support you through your journey and get you to your end goal. All right, speak to you soon. Take care.
Guys, so it's me, Kevin. I'm usually always behind the camera. I'm never in front. But going into the new year, you guys are going to be seeing my face all over. The same way you see Dr. Daniel's face all over, you're going to see my face all over social media and everywhere, just promoting the brand, sharing with you guys exactly what we do, how we help people, how we're helping people change their lives, and creating loads of opportunities. So yeah, it's day 2. We're in traffic. Oh, careful, this guy Dan. You guys need to see the way how Dan drives sometimes. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, it's day 2. It's going to be a fantastic day today. Dan speaking at 1:30. It's going to be amazing. We're going to try and record at 3:30. I got that wrong. We're going to try and record the whole session so that we can upload it, share it with you guys. It's going to be giving some great gems on how anyone can get started in property, build wealth, and especially going into the year 2023. It's going to be super impactful. It's going to be amazing. So yes, I'm going to be behind the scenes, holding the camera, filming. What I'm going to do today is just, take you guys into our world, see a bit more behind the scenes, us setting up, and just really show you guys what really goes on at these type of shows, and how we go about working and doing what we do. So stay tuned, and we'll see you at the business show. We're going to be filming everything, so catch you in a bit.
The traffic is crazy just before the Blackwall Tunnel. Anyway, guys, still so fired up, still so super excited. Today, 3:30 p.m. to around about 4 p.m. I'm going to be teaching people how to still get onto the property ladder in 2022, especially building ahead of 2023. You see, November is quite a very sensitive year where people should plan what they want to achieve in the following year. Personally, I begin to plan in November, December, ahead of the following year of what I'm going to achieve at every specific quarter. So I'm going to be teaching, strategies that has allowed me, retire my wife, strategies that allowed me to quit my job as an Uber driver, and strategies that is allowing us to literally build the future that we truly want for our family, our legacy. You see, getting started in property has never been, the greatest time, because opportunities are created when things are not working. So I'm going to be talking about how you can take over this opportunity that we currently have in the current market. Interest rates have gone up. There's opportunity. There's crisis in the rental market. There's opportunity. Prices are going to start to drop. There's opportunity. So in 2020, when lockdown happened, when there was pandemic everywhere, I saw those opportunities and I bought houses, and I've never ever regretted that. So I'm going to be talking about all this story, and how you too can go and implement this story. So I'm so super excited for that. Exhibiting here at the business show at the London Excel has been so amazing for us, because exhibiting at the business show was once an idea. It was once a dream, and just exhibiting at the 2022 business show has been very, very, very motivational to myself, because sometimes when you have a big dream and you tell people about your big dream, most people look at you and say, how are you going to achieve it? So for me, in anything I wanted to always do in life, I wanted to always play big, play so big, not play so small, because playing so big is what get you the right type of investors. Playing so big is what gives you the kind of attraction that you need to grow, scale your business. So exhibiting at the business show, being able to collaborate with other people. So just yesterday, I was interviewed by 2 other podcasts live at the show. And where they asked me, what do I do, how do I do it, and how do I help other individuals, that's going to be shown to other people, even though I know I have a podcast. But being able to be invited by other people there to be interviewed, meeting some other guys from The Apprentice as well. So it just goes to show that we all can literally scale a business, we can literally grow a business, but you have to get in front of your dream, you have to get in front of your vision. It's okay to dream, it's okay to have a vision, but if you don't do whatever it takes to bring it to light, then you might not be in that position to actually fulfill the dream. So being at the business show this particular month, this particular time of the year, is so big for the brand. Property Wealth Education is just under 3 years old, and just being able to be in that room, especially when we know everything is being funded by the business, it's just been absolutely amazing. So we're really looking for how we can obviously do bigger things in the upcoming year. 2023 we're going to be running masterclass back to back, and not only we're going to run masterclass back to back, we're also going to be majorly on the keynotes page as well. So yes, a lot of things coming up for the future. Really excited for this. First of all, why should you listen to me? The reason why you should listen to me is over the last 5 years, I've gone from getting started from property sourcing to establishing a rent-to-rent business, and as well as turning the income that I've generated from my property sourcing business and my rent-to-rent business to establish and start to acquire my own property portfolios. If now is still a good time to invest in properties, we can all agree that the United Kingdom as a country continually need at least over 140,000 affordable homes being built year in and year out, but there is less of them. If you want to create wealth for yourself, why don't you try as much as possible to learn creative strategies that can allow you buy properties that will, number one, appreciate in value, number two, provide you cash flow, number three, do something decent, which means providing a decent accommodation for people to live in.